Let's see how TrustNet could help in providing a partition segmented identity service. So new apps that requires us to register is a bit problematic, because even if you use an OpenID provider such as Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, to connect to that specific app and make an account with them, most of the times the information that the OpenID provider allows the client, specifically that app, to access about you is quite limited. So instead of having a normal full profile, completed profile with all the data that you have on the OpenID provider, most likely you just have an email, a name and a picture profile. Most of the times that's not enough for new accounts on websites, on apps, and they ask for a big form to have the user fill that up with the information that already exists. Like you have to add a phone, you have to verify, you have to add maybe an address, some other things, all that. So each time you make a new account on a new app, you go through the same process. It's not very efficient. Most of the time you already work with partitioned contacts or attributes. So you use a certain name for work, a certain name for personal, a certain contact like an email or phone for personal use, and others for work use. You have to juggle around with these all the time, and you have to remember, or you put them somewhere. It's not a very secure way. So is there a better way to have this? Is there a solution to this problem? I think we find something with TrustNet. We have this user JSON that aggregates his all online personas into one account on TrustNet. We have a work persona, a hobbies persona, that are basically containers for attributes like names, like contacts, email, phone, addresses, social accounts. He connects his Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, or other platform that he wants, and this way he can share to let's say a new work contact or a new friend, or even post on his social account profile one of these personas. In practice, this would look something like this. We have these different personas, so one for friends, let's say the hobbies, and one for work. The work one has different names, different accounts linked here. And it has a public URL that can be accessed. You can also share a QR code. The QR code is unique for each of the persona, as well as the URL, of course. And he has a central point to manage his social accounts that he has linked, or contacts, different attributes.